Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing the power of thoughts. Thoughts are powerful things. They can shape our emotions, behaviors, and even our reality. When we have negative thoughts, they can lead to negative actions. For example, if we think that someone is out to get us, we may be more likely to act aggressively towards them. It is important to take responsibility for our thoughts. When we have negative thoughts, we should challenge them and ask ourselves if they are true. We should also try to find more positive ways to think about the world. Here are some tips. Focus on the positive. Try to focus on the good things in your life. Try to see things from other people's perspectives. Practice forgiveness. When we find non-harmful thoughts, we can create a more positive and peaceful world for everyone. Thoughts are powerful things, and we should take responsibility for them. When we have negative thoughts, we should challenge them and find more positive ways to think. By doing so, we can inspire others. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family. Let's all challenge ourselves to find one non-harmful thought each day.